Hey all, I wanted to show you how I organize my seeds, and I learned this from Esther's garden. So what I did was I took all the seeds, regardless where I got it from, and then I put the seeds in a little plastic bag, which I had showed you guys earlier. You can get them from Amazon there. And then I made sure that I wrote down when I got the seeds. I mean, unless the manufacturer wrote down the age of the seeds, I'm just putting like this year. And then I alphabetize them. I like I'm trying to think of the label maker that I have. It's the old-fashioned. I like it because it looks neat. So I just did everything alphabetically. Honestly, I probably could move to 2 different shoe boxes. And as I become more experienced and well-versed in gardening, I'm going to divide them up more into separate categories like summer planting, fall planting, and things like that. Now what I'm going to do today is, and you guys are learning with me because I'm a very green novice gardener. I'm going to go ahead and do some winter sowing for blueberries and raspberries, maybe strawberries. And then as I prepare more gallon jugs, I'm going to be concentrating more on herbs. Ideally, I want to start my herbs outside and then move them indoors. I've got a bit of an exhaust issue here from all the traffic, so trying to figure out a way to keep my plants safe, and I may be covering them to protect them from the trails above, if you know what I mean. I just noticed we started getting the planes overhead spraying us, so that's it for now. Peace.